Best deals.
1. Garlic crusher. Easy to use, just need to apply downward pressure and rock crusher over garlic. Crushed pieces are held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Idli maker. Made of premium quality, food grade 304 stainless steel. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Fast heat transfer cooks healthy and tasty dishes in a few minutes. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Divider. Is easy to install and securely fastened with strong suction cups. It is designed to fit standard fridge shelves perfectly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Fry pan. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like paneer tikka, chicken curry, pasta, stir-fried veggies and many more. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Hooks. Advanced vacuum suction with lever lock design ensures quick installation and a firm, stable grip on smooth surfaces like tiles, glass and marble. Dual support system combines suction and adhesive base for enhanced strength, preventing slipping even in humid bathroom conditions. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bowls. Featuring a beautifully textured exterior with subtle ridges and a smooth, glossy finish, these bowls combine visual appeal with effortless cleaning. Built for everyday convenience, these bowls can go straight from the microwave to the dishwasher, making heating and cleanup quick and hassle-free. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Peeler. Designed for compact kitchens, both vegetable peelers fit together for space-saving storage, ensuring your kitchen stays organized while offering maximum functionality. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Tub. This innovative rinse bucket gives dishwashing a stylish and practical update. It eliminates the problem of lifting and emptying a heavy bowl. The integrated plug in the bottom turns to release dishwater and also functions as a strain for loose food particles, preventing sink blockages. With the wash and drain bucket's high sides, soap suds and water stay inside. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Kadhai. Ideal for making pav bhaji, shoshe bata mach, suji halwa, stir-fried vegetables and many more. Use only wooden, heat-resistant nylon or silicone spatula, suitable for use on gas, induction, electric, ceramic and halogen, glass lid made of 4 mm thick, heat-resistant glass with a strong stainless steel rim. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mop. Features a sturdy handle and comes with multiple color-coded mop heads for organized cleaning across different areas. The microfiber strips are specially designed to trap dust, dirt, and debris effectively, making it perfect for both wet and dry floor cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Container. See-through lid provides a clear view of the container's contents. Airtight seal preserves freshness by preventing moisture and air exposure. 2.8 liters capacity, perfect for storing dry items such as grains, snacks, spices, and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chakla Belen. Natural and very durable with anti-skid heavy base. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe and won't absorb food odors or stains. Useful and handy for kitchen use purpose, good rolling board maker. Marble round shaped chakla to cook or make roti, paratha and chapati. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tadka pan. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Grater. Features 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for efficient slicing and grating. Its precision food grip securely holds everything from cheese to veggies, acting like a food masher. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Glass teapot. Heat-resistant, built for durability and everyday use, pot is a versatile addition to your kitchen, designed to work seamlessly on stovetop gas burners. It is perfect for making masala chai as the tea can be boiled directly in the teapot, and the infuser automatically strains it when it's ready. Enjoy the clarity and flavor of loose leaf tea, a thoughtful and unique gift for tea lovers or anyone who enjoys a warm beverage. Durable and elegant design, perfect for brewing loose leaf tea. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, ensuring that it can withstand high temperatures without cracking or breaking. The infuser is made from food-grade stainless steel. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, so you can easily pour your tea without burning your hand. The detachable micromesh stainless steel infuser allows loose tea leaves to be steeped in the pot, ensuring perfect flavor to every sip. The convenience of the built-in infuser eliminates the need for separate strainers or tea bags. Enjoy the perfect cup of tea every time with our glass teapot with infuser. Steep loose leaf tea in 5 minutes in this beautifully handcrafted teapot. The clear glass allows you to watch the natural tea brewing process as tea leaves steep and infuse their flavors. This tea infuser pot has an infuser placed within itself. This provides a convenient way to steep the tea without having to worry about sediment floating around, or having to use multiple tea ball infusers for a single pot. Made with care and high-quality materials, our drinkware is built to last. The non-porous glass material does not absorb stains or odors, ensuring that your beverages taste fresh and pure every time. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Kitchen knife set. High-carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep you slicing time and again. All-in-one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 13 professional knives, kitchen scissors, peeler, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. The durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handle provide you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. The blade is crafted from high-carbon durable stainless steel with a sharp edge, professionally sharpened taper ground blade for versatile tasks. Designed with a 13-degree angle per side for the perfect balance between sharpness and chipping resistance, enhanced by a titanium coating for added toughness. The soft handle offers a comfortable, lightweight grip, ensuring a pleasant experience for most users. The blade features a hollow ground procedure, making it strong and durable for an excellent cutting experience in the kitchen. Knives are engineered for perfect balance, feeling lighter in your hands to ensure swift and precise cutting and dicing. Perfect for cutting, chopping, slicing, the boning variety of meats, light bone and coconut. This professional chef's knife is the star of your kitchen, perfectly handles your daily chopping, slicing, mincing, and dicing fruits, vegetables and variety of meats. A dedicated slicing knife, also known as a carving knife, is a precise tool for carving and slicing cooked and raw meats. Works great while handling fruits and vegetable for smaller cut. Product link is given in the 16th link.